Welcome back, shop rats. Today we're in the 73 Scoop Swinger. We're on the road to go accomplish something with the car that I've been pretty excited about for a little while now. Let's watch the show intro. We'll see you in about 5 seconds. Don't go away. It's only 5 seconds. I'm Mike.
This is My Cars Shop.
If you've been around My Car Shop for a while, then you know that everything we do is about taking little bites out of projects. And we have at least 10 projects we're working on. And seasonally, we shift from doing the big, deep fabrication to working more on the cars that we drive in the good weather. And today we're driving a car in good weather. It's 90 degrees. We're cruising down the motorway. I don't have my girl by my side, but I am going to do something that I really think she's going to like. So it's really, this car is kind of designed for her. She's been driving it a little bit. Hasn't taken it out solo yet. I understand that. But, let's do a little road trip here, and it's just fun to drive an old classic car, isn't it? It's almost a muscle car. I'll say it's a muscle car. It's a modified V8 in a 73. It's about as muscly as it got in that era. Maybe a little more so. To find our merchandise, just type Etsy.com in your browser, and then on the Etsy store, search for Schultz Sign Company. Once you're on their page, simply type in MKS in the search bar within Schultz Sign Company, and you will find all of our merchandise. And just know that we have more merchandise coming soon. Schultz Sign Company, a great company to work with. All right, well, the deed is done. I'm on my way home, and we'll do the great reveal. Pretty exciting. I'm beat. Man, this last 3-4 days has just been go, 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 go with no let up, but you gotta keep going, It's all good. We did an episode yesterday for the Our Place channel, so I'm a little bit behind right now on the MKS stuff, but it's all good. You can't complain is what I'm trying to say. So, well, you can, but nobody really wants to listen anyway. So, all right, I'm about 5 minutes from home, and we'll get this wrapped up when we get there. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the transformation a different set of wheels can bring to a car. Well, the other thing I want to do is to try to remove the rubber baby buggy bumpers that are on the front of this car and get rid of those things and give it a little more of a muscle car look and less of a grandpa look. So wish me luck with that. Went better than I ever expected it was going to, so that's really good. Got to do some cleanup and pick up a couple of carriage bolts to put in there just for look. I'll do that sometime soon. I think I have a better front bumper for this car, but I'll have to look around. I know I've got a nice one on the 74. I think I've got another one. So I'll look and see which one's better. Wonder if this has the rubber bumpers on the back. Let me look. Yeah, it does. Okay, and I have another rear bumper for this car that I don't think has those on it. So I'll make a decision on that. This one's in pretty good shape, I think. I'm just not sure how complicated it's going to be to get up in there and get those rubber baby buggy bumpers off the back. But I'm not concerned about that for now. Um, the front is much better. So let's pull the car back where we can get a good look at it and see what we got. Wow. What an incredible difference how that changed that. Next step is I need to give this thing a bath. It's filthy. This this tree has just been raining sap or whatever it has all over everything. Every vehicle here is sticky. We had an issue with a farmer this year that sprayed some stuff and damaged some of our trees and plants and everything. And we're going to have an episode coming on the Our Place Homestead channel about that soon. But anyway, so as far as the automotive side, we're dealing with a lot of sticky crap all over everything. So I'm going to give this a quick bath, get it cleaned up a little bit, and yeah, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Just going through and using super clean on the glass and on the bumpers to get those clean, and then of course a regular bath. But I find getting this tree sap off, this stuff works really good. I just spray it on there and scrub it with the car wash brush, and it's great stuff. I'm telling you, I really, really like this product. Well, there we go. Little bath, put a little treatment on the vinyl top. I got to get some steel wool and stuff after the front bumper. I just don't have time. I've got to get to the office, but decided that this time of year when it's so hot, if I get out here early in the morning and can accomplish some stuff before I go to work, it's a great way to do it. So I'm really happy with the way that looks. So got to come up with some plans. There's some body damage to the driver's door. I probably need to fix that. But yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. You know, looking. Well, those are all dry rotted. I got a nice, these used to be really nice tires here on this car. On the front, and I was thinking, they're a little lower profile. I could put those on the front and put the other ones on the back, but these are really dry cracking badly, so I'm not going to use those. Well, I think that's going to do it for this one. I appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, share, all of that stuff. We'll be back with more on Scoops as the summer progresses. And don't forget, because it's very, very important, and I think you should tell everybody, life goes better if you just learn to rock.